Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we will do the exercises on the modal auxiliary should. So without any further ado, let's get started. In case you have missed out the video related to the explanation of the modal auxiliary should and ought to, you can see using the link that is given in the description box. And if you have any queries in the exercise, you can put your doubts in the comment section and I will surely hear to your doubts and reply. Okay, in the first exercise, no, you have to use you should plus one of the verbs that is given below that. And basically the use of should is some, when you're using should, you mean that something is good that you are doing and something is right that you are doing. Okay, so if you see an example, when you play tennis, you should watch the ball so that the concentration remains on the ball and you may help in it may help yourself in winning or playing good. It's late and you are tired, dash, go to bed. Remember, you have to add you should. So you should to aayega hi, so you should go to bed. Dash your teeth twice a day. You should, one of these verbs can be clean. You should clean your teeth twice a day. If you have time, dash the museum, it's dash the science museum, it's very interesting. So if you have time, you should visit the science museum as it's very interesting. When you're driving, dash a seat belt. Okay, what can be done when you're driving? You should wear a seat belt. So you should wear a seat belt. It's too far to walk from here to the station, dash a taxi. So you should take a taxi. So look at this beautiful pictures given here. It is written about and it is speaking about the people that are in the pictures, with some writings over here. What you have to do is you have to add he or she shouldn't, and then to avoid this two, you have to cut this two and add so much. Okay, so much, so hard, so fast, you have to put these. Okay, see the first example, you watch TV too much. So आप advise करोगे अब sentence में, she shouldn't watch TV so much. She is a female, तो उसको ज़्यादा TV नहीं देखना चाहिए क्योंकि वो बहुत TV देखती है. Next, you eat too much. Okay, so he is a man over here. He shouldn't eat too much. You work too hard. Okay, so she shouldn't work. Okay, so she shouldn't work so hard. You drive too fast. You shouldn't. Okay, you shouldn't drive so fast. Exercise, you have to ask your friend advice and you have to write questions like, do you think I should dash dash dash. Okay, you are in a shop, you are trying on a jacket and you ask your friend that if you can buy it or you should buy it or not. So do you think I should buy the jacket? You're asking the opinion from your friend, you're asking advice from your friend. You can't drive and you have to ask your friend that if you could learn driving or not, you should learn driving or not. So do you think I should learn driving? Okay, next, you don't like your job and you want to get another job and you're asking opinion from your friend. So do you think I should get another job? You are going to have a party, okay, and you are asking that you have to invite the person known as Gary or not. So you're asking your friend, do you think I should invite Gary to the party? Question mark. So in these sentences, you have to write sentences with I think, should, I don't think, or should. Okay, so it's late, go home now. I think we should go home now. So you have to put one of these verbs or modal auxiliary verb. That coat is too big, I don't think you should buy it. You don't need your car, I think you should sell it. Diane needs a rest, have already. Diane should have a holiday, or I think Diane should have a holiday. Sally and Colin are too young, get married. Okay, so I don't think Sally and Colin should get married as they are too young. You are okay, you are not well this morning, go to work. Okay, I think you should not go to work. James isn't well today, go to the doctor. I think James should go to the doctor. The hotel is too expensive for us, stay here. So I don't think we should stay here as the hotel is too expensive. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.